Here we are, early morning. Must be day 18, I think. Pont d'Espagne, after a long time. According to my map, the road ends here, which would be a bit of a shame, having climbed for 10 miles to get here. What's up then? Viva España! So this is Pont d'Espagne. It is in fact a big car park, and they take cable cars, pedestrians, up to the top of the mountain. And that's it. There is no road. It is a dead end. So it's not that the Spanish have not updated the map properly, which is what I thought. It is in fact a dead end. So I have spent probably 5 hours climbing up a valley that leads nowhere. And now I'm going to go back down it. It's a good job I had 3 days spare. Day 18, 6:05 in the evening. This is the Col de Soler, 1474 metres, which is the preamble to the Col d'Aubisque, which comes up in a few kilometres time, and that's the one that's just over 17. But as I remember, we're going to go down just a little bit first. How far? I don't know. Not far, I hope. And then my good camp is lined up for me halfway down the other side of the Col d'Aubisque, the Col de Beast. So there you go. So we should be there, I don't know, an hour or two. Depends how much climbing I've still got to do after the descent. We shall see. Bye for now. 7:20 in the evening, day 18. I've finally cycled out of the cloud. I've been in it for a long time. In the far distance there you might make out a building. I believe that's the top of the Col d'Aubisque, but that's a nice restaurant as I recall. This is the road ahead of me I'm taking, and there's 1.3k to go to the top now. That's in distance on the road, not meters climbing. I hope. Sam helped quite a lot earlier, but he did it all in one go rather than keep stopping and starting, and I'm letting him rest now, as he has been for the last I don't know, hour. And this last bit to the top should be fair enough. There is another cyclist just up there in yellow who's British, who had a chat to. His derailleur broke today, so he's had a lot of trouble. He's only got one gear now. And he's had to, and it's not a low one like this. Anyway, you gotta laugh. Right, that's it. I should be at the camp soon. It'll take 20 minutes getting to the top and 10 minutes the other side. And then I'm bathed in sweat because I'm wearing this yellow waterproof as my only top, which is good in a way in that I can open the zip to let some air in. Otherwise I really feel like I'm overheating in the orange t-shirt I've got with the reflective workman stripes. But the downside is there's an awful lot of sweat that's going on. But I think when I stop I'm going to have a wash. Get naked, have a complete wash. Just using a bottle of water. I probably have enough water, otherwise I'll get some from a stream. And then drip dry as fast as I can in the cool. And get changed into my bedwear. It looks like a desolate, freezing place up here, but it's really not. Even though we're up in the clouds and we're up at 1700 metres, it really is fairly warm. Anyway, that's enough for now. Bye. It must be close to 8 o'clock now. Just spent 20 minutes in the bar there, having a Coca-Cola, a cafe au lait and a couple of Twix bars. and I've just got on the bike, got got changed as well. I've just got about to go down. I'm just setting off, and I'm just thinking, for Christ's sake, don't go round the wrong way. If I go down the wrong hill, I could be in trouble. There's some very large bikes well, they just are what they are, really, aren't they? There you go. Right, I've got to switch off. I've got 8k, and then I'm at my campsite. Bye for now. So this is Camp 18 at about, I don't know what the time is, 8:30, 9 o'clock maybe. Got here late because I knew where it was, because Camp 18 is also exactly the same place as Camp 12. As you can currently see it in its fully camouflaged state, with a lump of a hammock swinging beneath there due to the weight of a small dog. All the bright coloured stuff like my orange and yellows and stuff like that is all removed out the way so that I am less observable. I'm just going to pause it and show another shot from a different angle. The hammock is now to the left of the sign, in those trees, only about 3 yards behind the edge of the tree, but it's very difficult to spot. You probably can't spot it. It's right in the middle of the picture now, but you can't see it very well, and because there's only greens and browns and camouflage bits available, I don't think anybody's going to spot it unless they happen to be walking past. So all well and good. I'll carry on walking and talking. Very pleased with today's cycling, really. I coped with the rain much better than I did the previous day. I stopped when it rained the heaviest. I made sure I kept my shorts dry by using the umbrella, and I was able to keep the top half pretty dry as well. Unfortunately, the sweat going up a hill is much the same as if you were getting rained on anyway. There's that much of it, so I tried wearing just the waterproof on top and nothing else, which might sound a bit daft at 1700 metres above sea level, but the effort of cycling even with the dog is sufficient to keep you warm. So there you go. Right, that's it. A bit of Wellington and Napoleon and straight to sleep.